Well, all right, tubers. I got a call today from my buddy, and I'm going to take you guys to his shop to check out his car he's been working on. I'll explain more when we get there, but his little fricka ass is coming over to pick me up, and we're going to some bitch record him so he can take that. So come on, let's go.
There should be some cardboard over there. Just shake it off. Use that, or take a plastic bag or whatever. Like that. That's crazy, you can't put music on? No. Check with 17, I'm pretty sure it is. I'm like positive it is.
right, we're over here with Jeff again. Check him out. He's gonna do a little welding on this here. He's gonna weld that plate to that. Frickin' right. We're gonna see if we can watch him. I'm not gonna stare at it, but I'm gonna make you guys stare at it.
We're at the other shop.
We're at his other shop. Here's another one of his cars right here. I'm not gonna show you these nice wheels either that he got. I'm not showing you those. Okay. What kind of car is this?
It's a Maxima.
Oh, this is the Nissan Maxima. Oh yeah, he's putting all the high performance parts in this too. Friga sack. Nice. Green
Alright.
shocks. Alright, you ready?
That's how it went, right? Yeah. Flush with that edge there.
Yep.
Oh. You're fucking
How much that welder cost you?
600.
I gotta get one of those when my welfare check comes in. Frickin' right.
Just a little tack. That didn't even hit home. It's cracking. Lower the wire speed down a little bit.
Turn the speed down, turn her down.
Oh, it's right through right there, I think. Nope, it's still jumping a little bit. Not as good as the last time, huh?
Practice, buddy. That's what it is.
There you go, sir.
that
Not too
look
shabby.
like?
It's a little jumpy, but.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you know what? Problem is,
What's that? He's got the Lincoln
for
Electric.
some reason, I'm not getting no gas. That's the problem. Hope it didn't fucking
Oh.
get left open.
Oh yeah. Look at that one. Very nice.
Better, but still not that happy with it.
I'm happy with that welder. I like that. Have you had any
Yeah.
Have you had any problems with it?
No.
Where'd you get it from?
Home Depot.
Home Depot. Frickin' right. Look at all the work he did on that one. Built that all beautiful.
Where's the fucking? There you go, Dave. There's your weld right there.
Look at that. Sweet. Burning red. Nice.
Burning red, motherfucker.
Great. Frickin' right. Alright, now we gotta take a cheech break,
Yeah,
alright?
cheech break. Sorry, guys.
Yes, sir. Listen for the bacon.
We gotta check that weld out.
Look at that one. Beautiful. Well, you gotta just do that one down the end there.
Well, that was just from the wire. See, it just, that's when you got the long wire, you don't have cutters, you just slap it against the ground. But sometimes
No, I said you just gotta hit across that end now.
right here?
Oh, on the inside.
Yeah, here, 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 and here.
Nice.
Well, I don't need to weld there, but I need to. I didn't weld there on that side either,
No?
and I still got one left on that side that I didn't do over there.
It's looking great, man. You're doing a great job. Freaking right.
And now look at it. Well, these are the crappy ones because we had no gas.
That's alright, you can clean that up.
Yeah, I'll just.
Oh,
I gotta. This is the part I gotta grind anyways. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Because right here actually, because it's hitting the
front part, yeah.
it's hitting the motor. So we'll grind that down.
And then that one looks nice.
That's what I'll probably do now.
Beautiful. I'm wondering, when was the last time Jeff got on this? Probably a long time ago, but I know who could use this. This is a nice new one. It's a Schwinn. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at this. It's the Schwinn Good Life HO Motorsports. This is like a holy upgrade for you. Holy crap. The Taj Mahal. Well, hey tubers, we're here. We're at my friend Jeff's shop. We're checking out his car. So I'm going to give the camera over to him and let him tell you what's going on. What's going on, Jeff?
What's going on, you dizzy?
All right. So show us what you're doing.
This is the 86 300ZX. We're doing the V8 swap. It's an Infinity Q45 motor.
Okay.
VH 45DE.
VH
So I got about
45.
300 horsepower to the crank.
All right.
You know, big brake kit, all that good stuff. This is just mock-up right now. If you come over here, you can see the engine's a little dirty. You know, it's got 170,000 on it, but this is just for mock-up, really.
Yeah.
Plan on doing more with it later on.
Well, that's awesome. My tubers are going to love seeing the progress of this one.
This is centered, so it's, you know, sitting in there where I want it. Me and you, Dizzy, just made the other motor mount perch.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Show him that. I'm going to weld that up.
Yeah, we made the extra pieces. He made one already. Right here. I showed you guys that one before. He did some awesome welding on that. Well, now he's got the pieces here cut out for the next one too. So he'll put one on this side.
I believe that was right. Like
That's
that.
awesome. Yeah. Beautiful.
There.
Nice. That should hold her for a bit.
Yeah, you think? This thing's a monster. Look at that thing.
So the car, yeah, it's definitely awesome. You did a great job welding. And this here is the motor that was in it. Now, what was this?
This is a VG30.
A VG30. Now, what's that? That's a 6-cylinder, right?
Yeah, 6 single overhead cam, steel block, aluminum heads.
All right.
This is timing belt.
Now, does this still run?
Yes, this runs, but it's actually 50 pounds heavier than the aluminum motor that's in this right now. But with the extra weight that we've added with the subframe and stuff,
Yeah.
It's gonna probably.
So
be
now,
about the same.
which go-kart can we put this in? Frickin' sack. Oh, frickin' right. Look at all the tires he got up there. He's got a ton of them, huh?
Them gonna burn off.
We won't tell HO Motorsports, all right?
Yeah,
Make
yeah.
sure we don't tell him. Look at that. I'll give you an up view of it.
Yeah, let's get the back shot of how much room we got and how tight it is to, here's the brake booster. You'd have to pull the motor forward just to take the valve cover off. It's loose because we were test fitting, but as you can see, it almost lines up. The heater hoses basically just line right up. Got an adapter plate down there. If you really get down in the hole, you can see the aluminum plate. Yeah, if you kick it over just a little bit more, right there. That plate right where the tip of my finger is. You can't see it with the light, but right there. You might not be able to see it.
Right there.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that's pretty much it. That's what you get.
Frickin' right. Well, that's awesome. I appreciate you letting me come to the shop. He's got the hood on top of it and the bumper right there.
Real quick, if you want to show them.
Oh, look I want to show him this. My friend Jeff is wicked cool and awesome. He donated this awesome steering wheel to the go-kart. I mean, it's wicked cool, alright? So, frickin' right. Can't come to a shop without pillaging through his shit. So, what's going on now?
This is the oil pan.
Oh yeah, that's the oil
This
pan.
is the old oil pan. I just
Yeah.
basically cut it off because now it needs to be rear sump instead of front.
Yeah,
It sat in the car like this before,
and you cut the flange off.
so I could
see.
reuse the flange.
And you're gonna make your own
Yeah.
oil pan.
Let's show them the piece of metal we
All right.
scored for $20.
Oh yeah, look at this piece of
You wanna grab your
stainless
jacket so it
steel.
doesn't get dirty.
Oh yeah. Sorry about that. Beg
There's the
my pardon.
welder I got. That's what's doing the welding. It's very good
Oh,
welding.
yeah. The HD.
16 gauge stainless steel. Picked it up for $20 at the scrapyard.
Yeah, that's a good
stainless steel.
good size, huh?
Stainless steel pan. Big boy here.
Frickin' right.
You know?
That should be plenty to do that.
Oh yeah, definitely. Probably more than enough. And this was actually donated from U Dizzy Garage here.
Oh yeah, look at that.
About 1/4 inch plate steel. That's what we use to weld the subframe together.
Yeah.
You know, try to keep the cost down to a minimum.
That's right. That's
so
how
we can buy performance parts.
That's right. And you Dizzy's always out to help someone, you know?
Yes,
Frickin' right.
definitely.
So that was awesome. I'll have to come back when you get a little further and we'll do a little more videoing of it, you know, and poke and prod.
Well, once I get the
Oh yeah, and
the
I can
square stock welded up to the ends of these onto the motor mount, we'll do a video, of the motor dropping down into the subframe.
All right,
for
that
these
sounds
guys.
great.
Sweet.
Well, thank you very much. And you got anything to say to the tubers before we go?
Speed safely. Scrub out.
All right. So, Frigasack, thanks for coming along on the journey to my friend's shop, and I'll see you next time. Comment, like, subscribe, check out the links below, and get your U Dizzy swag, because I wear that shit everywhere.
Hardcore, dude. Hardcore.
Frickin' right. All right, peace out.